The connector for the ground is this thing right here. And it was badly crimped and it was barely holding on by one wire. I did a wiggle test and I still couldn't get anything out of it. I couldn't rip the wire out or anything like that. So I took it apart, put on a new ground, put a new connector on, put it together, and the car starts just fine. And just to tell you, this is not a shit box. This car has only 60,000 kilometers on it. So is it my big bare hands getting in here trying to get the thermostat out that I wiggled it a little too hard? I don't know, but I've heard other situations where people had problems with the TCM communication. So I hope this video will help somebody else. I'll try and post other videos as I'm going along with the problem. I've been getting quite a few problems recently, and really weird ones on top of that. So thanks for watching, and talk to you guys soon. Thanks, bye.